And on that, let's pull.
3, 2, 1.
Gotta get you back to inspecting that app.
Ta-da.
Oh, just gotta get him back to the ass end of the damage meters.
Ho! If that were the case, most of the last night, we all had our heads up our asses. Because he was number one.
Back
And-
left side of boss.
And it hurt. Because I could hold my head up high for one. My neck muscles haven't worked that hard.
In a long
Not that long.
Raid is so peaceful, enjoyable.
I like it.
It's like one of the most annoying members is missing.
No, you're still here.
Oh,
I'll remember that next time you need someone to tank.
or sap.
or anything.
I'm back down low. It's in the shield under fault. Green's down.
Look at that, we get rid of a lapse and we do it right.
Our side's dead.
We got a new one.
Trying to kill. See how this.
I've got a guard on me, Kalu.
Up or something.
He went after somebody else.
Lost track.
Go ahead and res Dragon.
Bombing it.
We're still dealing with all the ads from left side right now. Or right side.
So
Watch
just
out.
got the first slot.
Engineer's about to drop, Kalu.
Shadow.
We got a slag book.
Shadow, and move your slag, please. Get the slag dead. On skull.
Fix it on tennis.
Move away from me, please.
Ah, son of a bitch.
I feared.
Nice. Let's kill that next one now.
Nice.
Switch
On
to skull. Sorry, Tim, I won't talk.
Yay.
Can't move slap. It's on climb.
Oh, upset.
Perfect. On skull now.
Fire collar's up. What just killed Odor?
I'm under me.
Volatile fire.
Yep, spare slag.
Shields back up. Let's get a slag over here.
There's one on it now.
If we want to start working on the next one, I can get this.
Barf, move your slag over, please.
Can we get an interrupt elsewhere, please?
On skull. Push hard.
Can we get one of those other slag elementals close to us, please? Either Puddin or Tanis. Awesome.
I got
Dead.
ball
Never
of
mind.
fire. I gotta get out.
Yep,
Fire
it's okay.
colors.
It's dead. It's dead.
Boss just killed me.
You can't self-res either. It's on cooldown, it says.
I have it.
Use it.
Yeah, turn up.
Back in a harrow.
We have a security guard up still.
I'll hit it first. Just call for.
Go ahead now. I got everything up.
Taunting in 3, 2, 1.
No.
We're fine. Don't need to move yet. Taunting in 4, 3, 2.
Penny, remember if it's available to you, you can run into the puddle and then bubble.
Okay.
We need to move.
Close to
We
melee.
need to move.
No, I need a dog.
Baklani.
Let's move again. We had one
Use
drop
another.
close to us.
Cooldown if we got bar skin something. Taunting in 3, 2, 1.
One rest left.
Penny Devo.
We need to move.
Rest Calus.
You heard him.
Quickly. I'm about to drop.
Woohoo!